Hello and welcome to this tutorial. My name is Eric Beauchamp. I am the product manager for low vision devices here at Humanware. In this little tutorial, we'll see how to use the Reveal 16. Once the device is unfolded, you can place a document and press on the power button, which is on the far left-hand corner of the screen. Once the device is powered on, you will be brought to a 2x zoom level. If we go through the buttons that can be used to operate the device. The first button is the lock button, which locks the autofocus so that you can do manual tasks under the device. But as soon as I click on that button again, it's going to unlock it, or if I change the zoom level. The reason behind this is that you don't get stuck in the lock focus option. The orange button is a zoom level button, so you can turn the button clockwise, it will zoom in the document, and counterclockwise will zoom out. You can go as far as 1x zoom out, and you can go up to 40x zoom in. So another feature on the orange button is that if let's say in this example, I'm almost at 6x on the device. If I press and hold the orange button, it will give me an overview of the document. So it's going to zoom out to 1x so I can see where I am in the document, and it will zoom back into my previous zoom level that I had, which was almost to 6x, and it's going to zoom into the middle of the document. So if I release, it's going to zoom in the middle of the picture, back to the middle of the picture. And the last button on the right is the contrast button, so I can turn it clockwise to change the color, the contrast color of the device, and it's going to loop through all my preferred colors back to my real color option. In the next tutorial, we'll see how to program these colors on this button. Thank you for listening.